is so close. I wandered lost in the dark. I closed my eyes